Hello, welcome to New England Industrial Machinery. We are pleased to present this U.S. Industrial Machinery 88-ton by 8-foot hydraulic press brake. Model is US 888M, and it is in excellent condition, built new in 2014. It has a full set of dies for the top and a full-length four-way bottom die. It has work supports with movable guides here. You can slide them in and give it a little support. It also has this 6 C4000 light curtain system, all in operating condition. Everything works well. It's got the operator's foot control station. Up here is the pennant control, which controls the ram up and down and the back gauge in and out. I can kind of show you what that looks like before I start the machine. Come back here. Back gauge. Screw type, motor. Everything is super clean. Well, I could show you the electrical cabinet as well while we're here. That's the manual ram adjustment, pressure gauge. All right, we'll go ahead and start the machine and see how it works. It was these light systems, which is very nice, was added after the fact, and it comes in handy. So that's the, I don't know if we can see it, but that's the back gauge moving in and out. Looks like they had clamped a piece on there for their own purposes to set up a stock stop. So that's good. Ram adjustment. Go ahead and try to bend a piece. I think it's a setup for the 45-degree bend.
Oh. You got underneath. I was moving that back. Oh, then it's gonna fall.
We're gonna try to bend a piece for you. Do we have a vernier still here? You can measure that plate? Yeah. Nice bend. Here's the model and serial number. Like I say, the only thing happened here is we're missing the cover, and the reason that being is when they were operating the machine, they like to see where the switches were, so at some point obviously the cover is missing. But that is the only thing that's wrong with the machine, if you can call it that. I'm gonna bring it down a couple times. 2-button or foot operated. And of course, if you put your hand into the light system, it won't operate. Remove it and it works. So that's the machine. It's in excellent condition. If you have any questions, we'd love to try to answer them for you. And we look forward to working with you. Thank you.